Yeah, so the mic wasn't working, so that's why some delay. Anyways, okay, guys, so we are live with our HFT algo scanner. So I hope you can hear me. Okay, so like as you okay, so first let's discuss the Sensex. So here is the Sensex. Okay, so I mean today it's beautifully working out. So here, if you see right here, so right, I mean right here, that was the last big call writing 44.7 CR, and that was the exact top. Like if you zoom in, that was the top. Okay, and then it fell like, and you know, like you can go and check out the puts. So they almost like more than doubled from there. And as you all know, like we only follow the call writing and the put writing. Call writing is the light red and put writing is the light green. Okay, so here in the morning also some up move came, so some put writers were there, but now you know, like the big sharks came in here with call writing and they took it down again right at the bottom. Like as you can see, this candle they did, and then this candle they wrote puts. Okay, so this amount is 28.4 CR, this amount is 25.5 CR. So you can see in the pane there. So then after that, two red candles and it started bouncing up. Here also they did put writing of 30.9, that 31 CR. And again it went up. Here they did call writing right here, big call writers 34.7 CR. In Sensex we are talking about. And one more green candle and it fell, started falling again here. 35.9 CR of put writing, 18.8 CR of put writing, and again slightly bounced up. But while it was bouncing up at the last green candle, again they shorted. This short was for 51 CR, okay, and then again it fell. So and again here, if you see, 28 CR of put writing happened. One more red candle, and then on 1 minute chart, okay, not even on 5 minutes, and then again it reversed. And yeah, and currently now you can see here, here also again call writing happened. Again it reversed. So like this, I mean, it's all getting, now also you can see the call writers are there. So let's see. Okay, so that's the overall update for today. What happened on the HFT algo scanner. Uh, so also talking about let's talk about, yeah, now you can see bending. Okay, so let's look at the live one. I mean, this is like, this is crazy. Okay, guys, I mean, it's real time. It's absolute real time. You can see 413, 414, and this is the 1415 candle. Okay, so this is 1414 and 1413 is the one where the red, like the call writing happened, the light red. So we don't go with the deep red. Okay, we are not considering the deep red here. But sometimes, yes, they also buy puts, but mostly they sell. So that's why we only go with the light red. Okay. Ajit Babu literally forgot. No, no, no. I remember. I remember. So like the mic wasn't working. So no, see, like until unless some technical issues comes up. So obviously, like if I'm saying I'm coming live, I'll definitely come live. Okay, so now, so you can see the magic, like live. You can see like there. I mean, there is nothing in the market like that is doing a similar job like this. Okay, so it's really like a, I mean, like a wonder, like the eighth wonder of the world. Okay, so okay, even if you want to see like Nifty performance, so Nifty performance, like today, here again. So as I always say that if something is similar is happening at the same time in, let's say, Bank Nifty, Nifty or Nifty, Sensex, so it's a high probability, okay, that market will react. So like here, they shorted here, okay, two more green candles after that. like in Sensex it happened right at the top, like here in Nifty it happened, after that two more green candles, and then it reversed. And while reversing here also, like while here also they shorted, okay, and then after that again two green candles, and finally the reversal came in. And before the final fall, even before the final fall, as you can see, like just before even there it was consolidating, before the final fall started, they again shorted here. So let's look at the amount. So this is with respect to 25,000 ATM we are doing. So this is so we are only looking at the light red, okay. So there is deep red and light red both amount in that pane. So the light red amount is 52.2 cr. This is 39.6, almost 40 cr. So 92 cr together, 41 cr. So 130, more than 130 cr, 39.2, again 40. If you even take this, it's 14 cr. So again, so almost here 200 cr of call writing happened, almost here. And that there also, like, the fall did not start till then, just right after that it started, and it like nicely fell, okay. So again, let's look at the other coming down here. Like in Sensex it happened, there the call writing was shown, but in Nifty here, okay, right at the bottom, call sorry, put writers were there here after the fall. But in, I think in Nifty it started a little late here. They started a little late here and here, and then the major chunk was here. And that, I mean, you can see like beautifully, like that was the red candle, it was coming down, and that became the last red candle. And I mean, it reversed, okay. So the time was 11:39, and it's 59 cr of put writing happened, okay. So I mean, this is like fantastic thing. So again here also, like, see the beauty here, 41.1 cr of put writing happened, that here, and then one more red candle, and then it reversed. Okay, so just go and check out the C's, and like beautiful reversals, like this one, okay, and this was the big one, like. So as I said, like this one, like in Sensex, if you would have captured like more than 2x. So I mean it's like now again, as you can see, currently put writers, even in Sensex also we see some put writers. So here also, let's look at the amount. 29.9, 30 cr of call writing happened here. Then some consolidation, again it came down. So it's like wherever the big guys are like going with big positions, it's happening, like. So I mean, these kind of reversals are like truly, I mean, you won't see anywhere, like. This is like something like totally like new. No one has ever come up with like such an indicator in the past history of the stock market. So the problem with Sensex is in TradingView, it is delayed by 15 minutes. It's not the, no, here I have the live version. As you can see, it's currently live. It's 1420, and this is the 1420 candle. Okay, so you have to pay 450 rupees per month to get the live BSC data. Okay, so that's because it's not the problem of TradingView, it's the problem of BSC. They are charging for the data, okay? So for NSE, it's free. Like all those Reliance, HDFC stocks, if you follow through NSE, because every stock has two options, like NSE and BSE. So if you follow through, if you open the chart with respect to NSE, it's like real time. But if you view it through BSE, it's not, it's delayed by 15 minutes, okay? So I completely agree, that's true data. Yeah, yeah. Thanks. Yes. So let's see. 1421. So again, see, sometimes it might happen that see, here put riders are coming in, right? But here the big call riders were there. So still, like, throughout this region they shorted, like they might be taking the advantage. So as I said, like, wait for the charts to bend. Okay, like here. So the red candle came in and then the charts bends. Like once this candle stop gets broken out, you get a kind of confirmation. Yes, they are pulling it up. So like that, wait for some confirmation. So that's what I say. Like right away, don't dive in, and so because like at the end it all makes sense. So wait for it to make sense, and that's it. Yeah. So now you can see again they are starting to reverse. Anyways, so the thing is that, like, in real time it tells you what the big institutions are doing, and with fund flow, with proper fund flow, like you know how much fund they're putting. So like, see it nicely reversing. So that's what I say, like, we just wait for the confirmation for the reversal on the chart. So everything makes sense at the end. So what is the ADM set for Nifty? It's 25,000 here, as you can see. The above one is 25,000, the below one is 24,800. Okay. So yes, I haven't changed that. Like I should change it to, let's say, 24,900 or something. Sometimes I keep like 100 like 100 up and 100 down. So suppose if I am following 25,000, so I open 25,100 in another one and 24,900 in another one. But today, like, market is like going up and down, and from 25,000 itself we are getting nice signals. So that's why I didn't open the other. I didn't bother for the others, like other strikes. So Jane Street made 2 billion last year. Yes, yes, right. So if you see, the thing is that you can watch them make money, and also you can ride with them and also make money. So the thing is that, can you please can you guide us how to pay for 50% 6? Yeah, sure, sure, sure. So what you have to do is like exactly link, let's see. No, so data something. So you might be finding it somewhere there. I forgot like exactly. So while I was purchasing the premium, so there the option came up, but you will be able to figure it out somewhere. So just a second. Or let's give a Google search of, yeah, so I think here, yes, yes, this is the page. Okay, so tradingview.com/data coverage. Okay, so I made a Google search of here, TradingView buy live market data. Okay, so this is the Google search I made. So that is the first one coming up. Now, if you have to like select India from here, and you see for NSE it's free. Okay, real-time data costs 0. And for Bombay Stock Exchange is 422 per month. So there will be option for yearly as well as per month. But again, there is no advantage if you pay yearly because it's the same divided by 12. So I would suggest like, pay per month. Okay. So yes, that is the main point here. And then if you like, I think subscribe to real market data, real time market data. So that you have to click, and you have to again like click on India and yeah, BSE. So for me it's showing 0 because I have already like subscribed to it. I think annually, no, it's showing me 0 because I have already subscribed. So yeah, so it will show you here. You have to complete the payment, and that's it. Like, so it costs around 450 rupees a month. Okay. Like 422 plus GS 18% GST will be there. So it's the HFT algo scanner. It's custom build. Okay. So, oh, you're new to this channel. Okay. So the HFT candles are not matching for me with 25k ATM and 6 strikes. So you can see the settings, like it should match. So expiry date, is it like 29th? Just check. Anil Mishra ji, just send me the screenshot of the settings. Can you guide us how to pay? Yeah, I got it. Yeah, so the financial advisor, you are new here. So here we have an indicator which can catch reversals. Okay, so yes, straight away don't say that you are a fraud, because I know that like people, the very first thing they hear this, they tell that this cannot happen and this is a fraud. Okay, so here, uh, bear with me. So here, as you can see, like right here, we follow the call writing and the put writing. Okay, so the call writing is the light red and the put writing is the light green. Okay, the deep green is the call buying and the deep red is the put buying, and you also get the fund flow. So the big, and this is all the big institutional positions, not the retailers or something. Like currently, even you can see in Nifty here, put writing happened, and it's all going real time. Okay, and it's starting reversing like the put writing. We don't follow the deep green, the call buying. We follow the light green, which is the put writing. Okay, right, again right here, like in real time you saw like again call writers came in. So these are the smaller sharks. Okay, these are smaller sharks. Out of the big sharks there are smaller sharks. Sorry, out of the sharks there are bigger sharks and there are smaller sharks. Okay, so how to identify the bigger sharks? So here if you see, in the morning put writing also happened. Okay, so these were the smaller sharks. Okay, and so it pumped up, but right at the top, like the bigger sharks came in and they shorted. Like you can see the fund 44.7 cr, 31 cr, and 30 cr, and that was the right top that it made. Okay, and it fell. So again, see, P's went more than 2x. Again, right at the bottom, while falling, it reversed here. Okay, and there like big put riders were present. So I discussed what the fund flow was. Just go and check out the live stream from the starting. You will able to see. So that is the overall view. And currently it's live. It's also showing, because now you would say that this cannot happen. This is all fraud. That's why I come live and show you its performance live. Okay, like this. When you see that right after that the market is bending and it's all real time, then you start believing. Okay, otherwise yes, people usually don't believe. Okay, so again, so you can also go and check out the past live streams, and also you can check out the past performance, and also you can check out my past exposed like the Twitter posts, and yeah, you get to know like the capabilities of this indicator. So like here also, like they shorted here and again some fall. So like here they shorted puts and took it up here. So that's the thing. It is matching with the lower one HFT algo. I believe that is for 29th May expiry. Anilji, just send me a screenshot of the. So right now you saw the put riders were there at this candle right at here, and it's pumping up. Okay, so it's happening right in front of you guys. So, and it's real time. As you can see, the market is like 232. Anil Mishra ji, just send me a screenshot on WhatsApp. So let me again reload. So it should match if you have made the if you have made the exact settings. Like this one, like 25,000. Strike difference is 50. Again, number of strikes I'm analyzing is 6. The expiry date is 29/05/25. I think we need to take subscription from TradingView also for free users. It's not allowing to buy. Oh, okay. So that might be the case. Yes, I'm not aware of. Yeah, I wasn't aware of that. So that may be the case again. Yes. So I think any plan would do, and the essential or something. So, and also like TradingView, I think quarterly they also come up with their that is the discount offer. So like the last time they came, so with GST it took me like 20,000 for the premium plan, to opt for the premium plan. So I'm in your team from now onwards. Yeah, thanks Ankurji. So how to get this indicator? Yes, what you have to do is you have to go to my website. Okay, and then like whichever plan suits you, you have to subscribe, and we will just add you right away. Okay. And suppose if you are opting it for today, so your plan starts from tomorrow, but you get access to it right away today. Okay. It's a wonderful indicator. It's my first day of live use. I am likely to recover the subscription paid in the first day itself. I will share verified PNL after market close. Yeah, thanks. So as you can see right here, the put writers came in and they are taking it up. So it's all live, real time, and it's happening. Like there can't be any doubt after watching it live. Any offer? See, already like I'm adding many updates. So I'm not increasing my price, and I have kept it as a very low so that everyone can afford it. And also I have also said that any update regarding this in the future also, uh, with respect to the derivatives market, in the Indian derivatives market, whatever like in the trading view, if I make any like new indicator or scanner, I'll give it for the update will be for free. Okay. So currently like I'm trying to build a scanner, uh, and also coming up with some more updates on the HFT. So again, those updates won't cost you anything as well, because many people do what, they introduce new things and they charge again. But yes, if I make something for the cash market, or some new tool like to uh, track your uh, uh, track your profits or something, or to help you trade, or to help you let's say with API you're automating your trade, so then it will cost you. But apart from that, if I build anything here for the derivatives market on TradingView, so everything you get for free. Yeah, for the demo only I come here live. Okay, so even for like the best example was Thursday when we were live, and the market pumped up from right at the bottom we saw that the put writers were active before that pump at the last, and the C's went more than 10x. So you can go and check out that live version as well. Like it was the best live version, like in recent times. So yes, Anish Mishra ji, so it's working, like it's matching exactly. Yes, I can see your screenshot. So it's exactly matching. What's the problem? like here you see you have this candle, here you have this candle, here you have this candle as well. Yeah, it's totally matching. Here again, here, so currently also you have this candle. Yes. I mean, oh, you want to mean that the below one, like, okay, don't see the below one, like, see this one. This is 25,000. It's matching exactly. Yeah. Pranam Gurudev. Yes. Pranam boss. Yes, it's matching. It should match. I mean, see, until unless I again make an update to the indicator, it should match because you are running the same code. I am also running the same code, and it's on TradingView terminal, so it should match. Can anyone guide about how to use it? So, like, see, I have already made like videos how to use it. Okay, so you can go to any video, and in the description itself you will get the links of those videos. Okay. Yeah, yes, no problem. So, yes, you'll get there, and also like again, like also I tell my members that during like if you are not able to understand anywhere, if you have any queries or questions, just directly ask me. Okay, send me screenshots, ask me if you are facing any problem or issues. দাদুর কথা জানি না, কিন্তু দেখতে হবে. So দাদু might be planning the next big one. Yes, it's matching. What is the new update in the HFT scanner today? By the way, the scanner is working quite well. Thanks, Kadosh. Yes, the update I have discussed, like just check the first few minutes. I have discussed it totally what happened today. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Like today, I mean fantastically working. Like even it's live, and as you can see, the charts are bending right after it. Okay, so I mean it's beautifully working. So, anyways, the major move was in the morning when this right at the top, like this big call writers came in, and the fall, straight fall. So I mean there also the P's went more than 2x. Yeah, so the one that we were talking about in the last live stream. So uh, someone just modified the HF modified the MACD MACD indicator and were selling it, and also some indicators which are available for free, they are also selling that. So like I wrote a detailed review, and they blocked Ronak. So they haven't blocked me, I don't know, because might be because I will repost that they have blocked after seeing this. But Ronak was the one, like Ronak took the initiative to send me the videos and everything. So yeah, so and like then I made a detailed video regarding how it was being done, and finally Ronak got blocked from that guy. So anyways, let's nothing can be done. We can automate the trade using using your Spine script. So in Pine script you have something called this webhook. So with webhook URL, yes, you can automate. Okay, so yes, we are working on that as well. So the notifications you see, you have webhook URL. Okay, so even with Dhan also you can integrate it. Like Dhan is on Dhan Fires. I think they are on the TradingView as well. So they have integrated with TradingView. So you can directly send signals to take positions like on Dhan. So suppose you say that like this, that is whenever let's say in Sensex, let's say within 5 minutes, if the call writing amount is more than, so you can set up the alert. Okay, so set up the alert. You can set it in like in 5 minutes. If the amount of call writing is more than 100 CR, then short. Okay, so the webhook URL will send the signal and it will short. It will automatically short, and there you can like track it with the SL or something. So that type of automation, yes, can be done. Or might be like you hire some, or you are a Python coder, or you are a coder, and you take the webhook URL with that, you do something on your end. You take all those signals with the webhook URL and you write a Python code to do something to automate the trade. So these can be done, yes. Even like you are getting notification in your email, so Python code can read your email and take decision as well. So we have discussed a lot of that guy in the last two live streams, so just go and check it out. How many trades did we have? No, it's not like you have to take a lot of trades. See, even if you like, Sensex, like right at the top, you're shorting and you're capturing this move. Again, I am not saying that you should capture the whole move or something. Even if you capture half of it, I don't think you need to trade again for the rest of the day. Yeah, it's very much possible with the Python. So I mean, I can like simply like try to think about the idea that is like whenever big, like let's say big amount of writing is happening, let's say 30 cr, 40 cr, 50 cr, or even 100 cr, then what your Python code could do is like let's say I mean it's taking the signal and then it can just automatically place the trade, and with some SL as well, and it can trail the profits if it's moving in the same direction. Or might be like something like this, that is let's say that wherever the 100 cr of call writing happened, so that candle's low, once it's broken, so the Python code can wait and check if that candle's low is taken down, so that means the chart has started bending. So once the chart has started bending right after that, then the Python code can initiate the position. Okay, so things like this can be done, and it can trail the SL. Suppose even after that also, suppose the market moves up and the SL gets hit. Okay, so then also like if further put writing did not happen or something, so the Python code can wait for again the market to reverse. If the market again reverse, and right when the big let's say big call writers were there, so right again when the market comes below that candle, so again it can short. Okay, so like this we can automate it. Okay, and since it like almost every time the market bends and gives a nice move, so while the move is going in the direction, it can trail the profits as well. Yes, so why take the greed? Like, see, yes, it worked like here. The big chunk came in here. So whenever the big ones comes, market reverses here, as well as here, and this one. So I mean, it gave like an indicator is giving reversals right from the top and bottom. So one big reversal in Sensex, right from the bottom, another reversal. This was the third reversal. This was the fourth reversal. Again here this was a small, but yes, it was a fifth reversal. Again, let's say this one. So even if you say these are the small sharks, I will ignore. Okay, fine. This is the big shark. Okay, sixth signal, sixth reversal. Again here there was a big one, and small reversal came in. Seventh reversal. So I mean, seven reversals you are getting, reversals from right from the top and bottom. What else do you need? Like not even in the middle. Like after the market has started falling, like many indicators can show bearishness, whatever. If after market has started moving up, it can show bullishness. But right before it has started moving up, like here it's falling. It's falling, and then it's showing that big put writers are coming in. So this is something unique. Okay, so this is a like a one of its kind, and like there is an open challenge that brings something more leading than this in the market. I'm ready to compete with it. So again here right at the top. So while the market was pumping up, so right at the top, right? So this is something like uh you are seeing something. This is like something you're seeing. for the first time in the stock market's history ever. So, and for that also, I'm not taking the advantage and charging you a lot, because people will usually charge 1 lakh fee for such an indicator. Okay, because with such a reversal indicator, like, you can easily recover your whatever I am charging, you can easily recover it within 1 or 2 days, or maybe 1 week at max. Okay, so like usually someone would have been charging 1 lakh rupees for such an indicator. So again, I'm not charging you a lot. It's fairly like the price is like very fair, and yeah. So Sensex is up নিয়েছিলাম ফোমোরতে. Oh, yes, someone just notified that for even taking the Sensex data, you have to have at least one of the that is the subscription from TradingView. I think that's possible with Python. So we want refrain of him useful to all. Thanks everyone. How many trades did we take? More my senses. You can use algo test also to automate trades with any broker. Yeah, so the platforms are there, but there is some limitations I saw there as well. I think I don't exactly remember, many days ago I saw, but I saw some limitation. I think once per webhook URL you can place the trade or something. So, but if they have if they have modified their then you can definitely go with automating from their side as well. গুরুদেব এসে গেছে তোমার ফ্যামিলিতে. Thank you, boss, for coming. Skyweaver, এরকম কোনো জিনিস বানালে লোকে অফেন্ড হয়ে যায় কেন সিক্রেট শেয়ার করছে? Yeah, so Ajit ji, so Ronak has, like, Ronak said the name, so actually whom we were talking about. So anyways, right here you saw again the call riders came in, and so these are the Jane Street guys. Like, they are trading with billions, and their algos are placing. It's not like they are sitting and placing the trades. Okay, so even in Nifty also you saw here the light red ones. Okay, and here till happened, and then after that, like, 3 green candles, and then started bending again. So it's very pretty simple to use, just the light red and the light green, and you have to follow the amount. If it's a big amount, the probability is very high that the market will turn from there. And if it's a small amount, so use it for scalping or something. And also, like I just say, like, the other thing is that wait for the market, wait for the chart to bend in that direction. So it's almost going to be 3 p.m. Skyver Thegosan solution key burning. Does this work on commodities as well? No, 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 no. So what happened is that TradingView has introduced the option chain recently, like I think 8 months ago. Okay, so they have added the US markets and I think this Indian markets, and they still haven't added the commodities section. Like I mean the option chain of MCX or the commodities, and also they haven't added crypto as well. So once this add the option chain of crypto or commodities, so we can apply the same algo there as well. So like if you go to the option chain section here, so you will get to see like so this is Nifty. So you can search for gold or anything, so you won't get the option chain here. So the option chain has to be there. So this is 12. See, this is 12 CR of call writing. So these are smaller sharks. Okay, so these are like the bigger sharks. Like in the morning that you saw, like this was like 44.7 CR. This is 31. This is 30 CR. Okay, so those were the big sharks. Like here now they are currently like the smaller sharks. So but they also sometimes do a good job. Anyways. So can't we use it on gold or silver? Yes, we can use it. I have to make a separate code and everything, a separate platform of mine where I will be like where there will be like these type of charts where you can like there you can track. So for that it's a lot of investment for me currently, but yes, I'm saving it saving for that day. So either TradingView adds gold and commodities and everything, or either I have to build my own platform and run the HFT there as well. Yes, so what Ronak is saying is that the main problem in TradingView is that they don't have the past data. So in options, so in cash you can like back test, but in options you can't. So right now you saw the smaller sharks, those 12 CR sharks. Okay, so one more green candle and the red candle came in. Okay, so gold and BTC. Yes, I have got a lot of requests about commodities and the same thing applying on commodities and crypto. So that is the thing. Like I have estimated the cost for like making my own website and this building this such a platform like with live charts and everything, and so it would cost me like let's say at least a at least 40 to 50 lakhs would be the cost, because I am not an expert in like back front end back end developing. So website I can make, but you can easily make websites these days. So like you just have to buy one theme and just buy uh, hosting and domain and just edit the theme and like it's like copy pasting something. But building a functional website for the stock market, trading terminals and everything, so that takes a little bit of funds are needed. Uh, so currently, like yes, the thing is that I have to hire someone with proper NDA and proper paperwork, because I also have the fear that someone might leak the algo or something. So there are a lot of things to worry. So Thank you. You are helping the retailers with some level playing field with the big sharks. Would the sharks be worried with this indicator? And see, even if they're worried, yeah, they might be worried, and what they can do is they can buy me out. Yes, that is one possibility. But like they cannot do anything to change the output of the indicator, because what is happening is that we are tracking them like here. So they already have taken the positions. After that, if you are riding with them, like you just have to ride with them. So after that, even if they want to hurt you, so then they also have to hurt themselves. Okay, so that is the advantage of this indicator, right? Because like what happens is, suppose you are following RSI. Okay, now RSI like is showing its overbought region, and you are expecting market to reverse. Now you have taken short positions and you see market is further moving up. Okay, so there they can take the advantage. The sharks can take the advantage that you have sold and will buy and take it further up. But here the main advantage is that they have already taken position. Okay, now if they don't reverse the market, so they would go into loss. Sumitji, what if they buy you out? What happens with existing subscribers? No, so obviously, like the existing subscribers will be there, and they will be able to continue as well. So only with that condition, that thing can happen. Or otherwise, I won't be even selling. And moreover, like see, selling is currently not making sense to me again, because I'm like I'm looking at a bigger picture. So to make it a 100 CR company or something, because I'm looking at the big picture. So that's why I currently like I'm feeling reluctant to make the sale as well, because whatever the monthly sale I'm getting, so I think it's enough for me. So um, and like people are recommending, and so the main thing is like coming from the referrals. Many people are recommending the indicator, and that's why like I so the thing is that my idea is to like make the setup and like automate the trades and like make a beautiful place for the traders to trade. So automate this whole thing, and right after that, like I mean, that would be the best thing that a trader can have. So no, so I won't go in that. So like so those yeah. So the thing is that I won't be doing any harm to the others. Like so, or maybe like someone big I can partner with up and make it like widely reach out, because with my 3,500 followers, I'm not able to, I think, reach out to the whole market. So maybe like partner with someone big and make big promotions and like reach out to the uh, big chunk of retailers. So again, that could be another idea. But again, I currently like I think I am best like with myself going forward. So because like as per the sales currently of the indicator, I should sell this indicator at 100 CR. So I don't think like I mean if I'm selling it lesser than that, so that's my loss. Because like I recently had a conversation with one of the CA. So I asked like suppose if a startup is selling their product or something or their business, so what is the expected, how do they calculate what is like they should expect or something. So or how do they value their company. So there are many major points, but he told me that suppose if a business is making like uh, let's say 5 to 6 lakhs a month, so then the startup would be selling at least 100 CR. So that's why like the thing is that the main point is that like that's why I think like I should like make this thing big, and I should go forward with my thing only. So how I have been growing. So like from 0 to 3500 also I've reached. So maybe like another 1 year I might be reaching 30,000 or maybe 10,000 at least. So anyways, I can make it big with whatever like resources I am having and with all your support. So I think currently if I sell it out, so it won't be a very good idea for me, or it won't be a very good option for me as well. Yeah, thanks for the offer. So if I think that I need to partner up or make it big with the help of big funds, so I'll definitely post a tweet. Otherwise, like for now, currently, like so I'm mostly concentrating on my, because once you partner up, what happens is that there are several terms and conditions, and you get like into all those terms and conditions. Once you get into that, you are bound with many things, so you can't be like, now I'm free to take any decision of mine, like I want to do this, I want to do that, like I can take my decisions freely. But once I partner with someone like big, they will put thousands of conditions, and like they might, those conditions might even destroy my business as well. So yeah, right, you will make it big undoubtedly, but please do not ditch it. No, no, not at all. Like even Sumit ji is also a member, so like he has been using the indicator for more than, I think, more than 1 or 2 months. So yes, like whenever he has any problem, he texts me, and whenever I get time, I do reply back. So yes. Anyways, the main point is that like, no, never. I won't do that. Never. So, and as I told you that uh, so selling it for less than 100 CR would be a very bad decision. So, but again, why 100 CR? So can I not make it 1000 CR? So by keeping it on my end, and like, so the valuation I'm talking about. So the thing is that yes, we can definitely. So all I have to do is crack the automation part. So so before cracking the automation part, now like I'm working on the HFT, modifying the HFT a little bit, and also like trying to make a screener, but the screener has a limitation of 40 symbols at a time. So you can understand, in that screener, if I just put Nifty itself and put 6 in the, like here, the number of strikes I want to analyze. So it's just fetching 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12 symbols, 5 out of the money calls, 5 out of the money puts, and the 2 call and put ATM. So there itself, like I'm going like wasting, like not wasting, like utilizing out of the 40 symbols that I can use, 12 are gone. Or maybe I can slightly reduce it to 4 or 5, maybe 10 symbols are gone. So in that scanner, I'm max to max, I'm being able to put 2 to 3. So another solution is that we have to just simply reduce it to the ATM, like keep the 6 as 1. So then it will only use 2 symbols. And then in that scanner, we can scale it up to, let's say, 15 to not exactly 20, because another symbol may be that the index is also a symbol involved there. So, or the stock, whichever. So that's why like the scanner is having a little bit difficulty, but still I'm working on it, definitely. So again, if there is like, if I'm successful, the scanner and whatever updates I'm coming up for HFT, so everything will be free of cost for Uh, so again, that's the thing. Like today also I released one update, so everything will be free of cost until unless I make something totally different. Like suppose in the cash segment, for swing traders, for let's say for tracking positions via API, some softwares. So those are different. But apart from that, like any update or any scanner coming up with HFT or this one, so absolutely it will be free of cost to the members. So that's the thing. I hope like it's after 3 p.m. It's advisable not to trade anyways. UX, yes, like the HFT algo scanner, it's also running for the US markets as well. So for the US markets, like I have US stocks and indices. So these are the stocks and indices for the US markets. So where I mean they have daily expiries like QQQ, SPXW, so XPXW, the weekly one, and SPY I don't remember, but yes, three indices like they have daily expiries there. So these are the current ones where it's working like the HFT algo scanner. I've added them for the US market, so it's a separate one. Uh, Yeah, you can pay via hi, please enable EMI option at payment gateway via. So you can pay via credit card from through the link on the website. So and after that you can convert it into EMI on your like app, the credit card app or something. So every credit card app offers like to convert um, something like more than I think 5,000 or some amount. They whenever you have done some purchase of amount higher than that, so they usually like tell you to convert it into EMIs. They give you the options. Sorry. Stocks at outside. Yes, but like for trading in US markets, I think there are several conditions. Thanks for timely, helpful, always. Yeah, so I'll do my best, Sumitji. Can you check sale with this scanner high OI now? Sale. Okay, let's see sale. So let me see if I have already got it in my no. I have to create a layout. So, anyways, let's do it. Is it in ban period? Like, oh no, no, sorry, I'm watching Axis Bank. What is the ATM? So the ATM is let's put 130. So, okay. 5 count maybe 6 29 5. Yeah, so is it in ban period? Like most of the places it's blank. So if it is not in the ban period, so I don't trade stock options. So this is how it started. So as you can see, 9:16. Okay, so 9:16 a.m. put writing, it went up. Okay, and then these are put buying, we don't follow. Okay, so as I said, like even the big guys also buy puts. They have bought puts and took it down, but usually they sell. Okay, so since I have already said we don't buy puts, I won't take any credit for this one, but definitely I'll take credit for this one. Okay, so yes, all the credit goes to the indicator. So this one, they shorted at the top, again fell. So again, let's see. So here, no, I think it's in ban period, but just check it once. Like here also they shorted and took it down. Right at the bottom, they put writers came in light green and it went up. Okay. So yes, like I hope it's clear, Ajit Babu. So like this is a beautiful indicator, and there are like infinitely many possibilities. Like you have all these stocks and everything, so indices and then all these stocks, so you can understand like, and it's all listed what the stocks you have, like it's all listed uh, on the website, on the page about the indicator. You can go and check it out. Okay, so like here you can, I have listed here. So again, if you don't have any FNO stock, still we can also add it as well. Like okay, so there won't be any problem to add it if the option chain is there. Okay, so like here is the list. Okay, so you can check out this list. So right here they shorted. Now as I tell, like I mean after 3 p.m, so it's not a good option. Like yes, for sellers it's fine, like they can sell and scalp. So like today like again it gave one of the best performance. So check int also once. Yes, US ops. Yes, that's definitely like if caught us up, but cash ভালো position নিতে পারো. Okay, can you check? Yeah. Yes, but if you're also like I mean investing through like some, not directly like with some, through any other Indian broker or something, I think there are charges, big charges. Ajit Babu, yes, yes, check i- lar int lar you mean Larsen and Turbo? Oh, L&T, sorry. Yeah, yeah, checking. Zomato now. Okay, is it still working with the Zomato like name? What is the name on the trade? Sorry, the charts has changed. Oh yes, I have to change the name. But is it working still, or I think then it won't work. I have to change the name accordingly then. Yeah, Ronak, just text me once. Like here, I won't remember. So just put a text on WhatsApp. I'll definitely add them. I think by tonight I'll add it and update it. Okay, before tomorrow market opens, I'll like add those Jubilee Foods and PNB Housing. Okay, okay. So I'll Zomato and these two I'll add it and I'll. Okay, yes, L&T. So L&T, yes, I have. I think I have say uh, layout is saved, I think. So L&T, let's see. 6,000. Okay, so L&T, as you can see, oh wow, I mean this is like wonderful. Like that was the last green candle. That was the last one. I mean today, like I mean this is the beauty, and so this is on 1 minute chart. Like if you go on, so this is 3 minutes chart. So let's go to 1 minute chart and let's enjoy the view. So yes, 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 perfectly, perfectly. I mean, on 1 minute chart, that's not the last green candle, but yes, after that two green candles came in and right away fell. So again here the smaller sharks came in. So now you get the clear picture. Like these are the bigger sharks, and these are now the smaller sharks. Okay, so even the smaller sharks also are like rocking here. I mean, mostly it was called writing day in L&T. Okay, so okay guys, OI sprouts and HFT scanner. Yes, a deadly combination. Glenmark Pharma সকালে ভালো পড়লো তোমাকে. Yes, yes, yes. Ronak, like in morning, like he showed me that like he was able to track the Glenmark fall. So yes, so well, yeah, 1.61% fall. So Glenmark. So that was in the OI sprout as well. Like here, so you can check the most active underlying. So the and no. So this is, I don't think, like I think most active contracts or change in open interest. I think this is the one. Yeah, so this is the one. Change in open interest. So if it is like more than 7%, so in the morning, like from 9:20 to 9:30, so then Ronak goes and tracks those with the help of HFT algo scanner, and like that's how it like captures the moves in mostly the stocks, the stock options. So again, like if you want the indicator, I have already told you, you have to go to the website and like make the payment, and we'll add you right away, and your membership starts from tomorrow, and but you get access right away today, so that overnight you can check out the charts and everything before going live tomorrow. And also the thing is that you can also pay us directly via UPI as well. That would be very beneficial for us. That saves us almost 3% charges that we have to pay while we are paying via while you are paying via credit card or any online method. So like we have to pay 3% to the payment gateway. So like that also like if you are paying via UPI, you can directly UPI us, and again we will add you right away. That saves us those 3%. So hi bro, can we track stocks using any screener? So I'm trying to build a screener, as I've already said that like with the HFT, like this, like LNT. Okay, so suppose if like we had a screener, we could have seen that like big call writing is happening right there. So like this, but the main problem is that the screener will have a limitation to pull. No, sorry, I already told monthly is not possible. So the thing is that you are seeing that like the 6 months amount is 15,000, so monthly will be good. You are thinking like that, but I can easily make like the monthly to be 10,000 and then 6 months to be 50,000. Okay, so monthly is not like it's not like a very good option. Okay, so monthly can be done, but again a lot of things like the charges will go up, so that's the main point. So we have to optimize everything so that like it can suit you as well and us and everything, so it works for both of us together. Like you get an at an affordable rate, we are also good to go with that, so we have to think in between, right? So again for 6 months it's like 2.5k per month, so which you can easily pay via credit card as well. So anyways, the point is that yes, the screener has a limitation of 40 symbols. Like for example, if I just put in the screener our Nifty only, so and make it like 6, so 12 symbols are getting fetched. The 6 calls and the 6 puts. Okay, so 12 symbols, and along with like Nifty also there is another symbol, the spot. And like if you are tracking the futures as well, then 14. So almost 14 to 15 just for symbols are being tracked, only for one to track. Hello. Yeah, so the thing is that is the main problem. Like uh, the scanner will have limitation of 40 symbols, so then we have to only track the ATM. So like that we have to build a scanner, or we might have to open the same scanner a lot of times on the same chart. So hi bro, can we track stocks using any scanner? Yes, I said kindly add Nifty 50 stock screener type. Yes, I love to add it, but that's the main problem I just discussed. That is with the HFT algo scanner, uh, many symbols needs to be tracked. It will help in trading stocks too. Yes, I know. I definitely I'm trying my best. Uh, Ajit Babu, I said already, like don't see और सस्ता में दे दो और सस्ता. So you see that ऐसे करोगे तो मतलब मेरा भी तो business चलाना है तो see we have to come in between somewhere. So I am giving at an affordable rate, and also like you also have to come in between. So I mean, such an indicator no one has even seen. Like, no one believes even when I say that an indicator can catch reversals from almost top or bottom. No one believes. Why no one believes? No one has ever seen like such an indicator, uh, and no one that's why believes. So you must understand, and I'm showing you live like how it's performing. So after that, like there shouldn't be any doubt, and that's why like I even am not charging for the first movers advantage as well. So you are doing great, bro. No fraud. Obviously, it works in live. Yes, that's why like I come live. Many people can say that screenshot anyone can make or anything. So that's why I come live. Fraud is a person who said you are fraud. He didn't saw the accuracy. Yes, no. The problem is that like sometimes what happens is that when I run ads, so I recently I started running ads. Okay, so uh, so the thing is that like many people came and straight away commented you are a fraud. Glad that I saw this ad, I blocked you. So they judge right away that this is a fraud, because there is no such thing that if I even tell you, go and tell that today I have seen an indicator that caught reversal from exactly at the top, like they will show it can't happen like this top bottom, and they will say oh, ऐसा होता है क्या हर टॉप और बॉटम पे ऐसे रिवर्सल पकड़. So I'm not saying at every top and bottom, but yes, it did whatever it did today, it did. Okay, so no question about that. And like I'm also not saying the indicator is showing, so indicator a code cannot lie. Can I add the can I add this indicator on TradingView free account? Yes, you can. On basic account also you can use this indicator. For that, like I have made one video also like showing that yes you can. So I think like on X also I posted the link. So here I think I posted somewhere, like I don't remember, but you can go and check out. Yeah, this one. Yeah, for those who are wondering whether HFT algo scanner works on this, so for this one, okay. So that's the thing. So it works even on basic free account as well. Is there any discount on Memorial Day? No, sorry. See, I have been posting updates, but I never have increased the membership amount or something. So I have kept the membership amount the same. I thought like I should increase it, but I kept it the same. So it's not like I increase it to 20,000 and then I give the discount offer. I'm giving a 5,000 discount. So you know how marketing works. The price will be increased and then the discount will be given. So let's not do that, and let's be straightforward and let's keep it. So now you currently you saw the pump right now you saw. So that's like the thing, and that's how it notifies you. Like right now we got the notification. So okay, so that's the thing. And bro, run an algo. I'll buy you and will prove all of them that you are right, that it works greatly. We can do on 1 to 2 lots at least. Show the accuracy. Then no. See, if I build an algo and like I'll test the accuracy myself, right? Before like going live, I have to test the accuracy myself, and then then if it's like, see, it's not about like it's not about the HFT algo scanner. It's all about, that is like how I, with the HFT algo scanner, how am I placing the trades, okay, with the help of the algo. Because see, what happens is that like once I know that like suppose big call writing has happened, like here, uh, so this is Bank Nifty, sorry, this is Sensex. So even in Bank Nifty also, yes, like even in Bank Nifty also, the thing is that, so in Bank Nifty also, as you can see right here in the morning, the sell came. Now as the human, what we do, we can wait for the reversal. Okay, suppose it's consolidating and we are waiting for, let's say, the sell signal on the smart trade or something. So like this, we can increase, as a human, we can increase our accuracy. Again, this is put buying. Okay, we don't follow that. That's why we don't follow. Like you might be saying here also the red came in. It's not light red, it's deep red, which is put buying. We don't follow put buying. We follow put writing. Here put writing happened, and right away there reversal came in. Okay, so again at the end you can see some put riders are there, as well as in Sensex. Currently it's both call and put riders are there. In Nifty, call writers are there, and that's how it's ending today. 1 minute left. Why are you not tracking deep red option buying? Why you keep that? Why not keep only light red? No. So see, what happens is that I've already answered this question in the previous live streams as well. First of all, we don't follow the buying, call buying, deep green, put buying, deep red, because the thing is that the big guys, they majorly short, okay, and we keep the deep ones for reference. Okay, what reference? That is, suppose if market is falling, I see further put buying, so I get a fair idea that market can further fall. Or suppose if it shows that call writing has happened, and after sometimes like market is not moving in their direction, and you see a call buying, so you get a fair idea that they might have closed their position. So just for reference we keep it. Okay, so that's the main point, to keep the buying part. And please publish EOD analysis, it helps. Yes, I'll definitely do post the EOD analysis in the group as well, Anilji. And how can I contact you, bro? I'm interested. So here, like you can go to my website. So here, and you know my X profile, I think, and then you go to my website. You can go for the contact us, and you can contact us. And also like that's this is a very normal website I've built just for payment option and for contacts. So yeah, so I'm thinking of developing a new website and everything. So all bro, Ranan, they will be shocked. Yes, so that's the main ultimate goal. If I am able to do that, then it's all cracked. That's what I have said even in my live streams and even in the past posts. That is, only this part is left to automate it. Once automation is done, it's like fully solved. Like the trader's problem is fully solved in catching reversals, in tracking positions, taking positions, and everything. In India, people want money, hate the people making money. Right? Absolutely. That's the thing. Nothing can be said about that person. So we should their lips should the lips. No, I have already shut like whoever comes and says anything negative. So I come live and then like to shut their mouth, like whoever tells anything negative. So yes, Jackie, I have answered your question. Why are you not tracking? Yes, I have answered this question. Please publish EOD analysis. Yes, Anilji, I'll definitely publish EOD analysis. So okay, guys, then I don't have any. Don't have any further questions. So again, the stocks that you wanted, I have opened and showed it to you, and also Sensex, Bank Nifty, Nifty, everything, a full 100% with 100% transparency, full view I have shown you. Not only like the part it worked, and I'm hiding the part where it did not work. Last live stream also I did the same. every thing is with 100% transparency. Now rest you have to decide. Okay, so yeah, thanks for coming up, and thanks for watching, and yeah, thank you for all you thank you all for your time. And again, if you have enjoyed the live stream, don't forget to put a like, and like costs you nothing. Thanks a lot for, yeah. So I'll definitely try my best, even for those who don't have money to buy. So I'll definitely try my best again. But yes, the subscription is also like I have made it affordable. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I have answered all your queries. See you in the next one. Then tomorrow we have Sensex expiry. So yeah, bye. See you tomorrow.